Hello everyone, I am Swapna and you are watching my channel Computer Basics. Today in this video we will learn about the input devices, means what are input devices and some best examples of input devices we are using in regular life. So let's start. So mainly input devices means the devices which are using for entering data and instructions into the computer, that are called input devices. Input means inside, put means you can enter the data and instructions inside the computer. So there are some input devices which are using to enter the data and the instructions inside the computer. That devices are called input devices. So see, the first and mostly used the input device is the keyboard. See this picture, this is your keyboard. This is very important input device. This keyboard is look like a typewriter. There are so many small buttons present here that are called keys. K-E-Y-S, keys. On every key you can see there are some marks that are maybe any letter or any number or any symbols. So these all are keys. By using this keyboard we can enter either words or letters or numbers or any type of symbols into the computer. So this is the keyboard, an input device. See this picture. What is this? This is a mouse. This is another input device, important input device. This mouse is used to point at, select and click on the things on the monitor screen. This is used to move the mouse pointer, that is an arrow on the screen. See, this is the arrow. See here, this is the arrow. So by using the mouse you can move this pointer or arrow. This mouse is also used to select the icons on the monitor screen or to click on the things on the screen. It has 2 to 3 buttons. Some mouse has 2 buttons or 3 buttons. Other has some 3 buttons. Then we move the mouse in a particular direction. The mouse pointer also move in the same direction on the monitor screen. We can also use this mouse to draw the pictures. This mouse is exactly look like a real mouse. Here see, these are the buttons of the mouse and this is the wire, or wire means this connected wire, or it is called tail of the mouse. These are the buttons. This middle one is the round circular wheel. This wheel is the scroll wheel and these are the buttons. This is left mouse button and this is right mouse button, and this middle one is the scroll wheel. So basically mouse is used to move the pointer, select and click the things on the monitor screen. Then see this picture. This is a scanner, S-C-A-N-N-E-R. This is a scanner. A scanner is used to read and copy the text and the pictures from the paper into the computer. This helps us to copy or read. First read the picture or text and copy it inside the computer from paper to computer. The text and pictures can be stored in the computer for later use. We can store this copied text and pictures inside the computer. This is connected to the computer through a cable or a cord, means wire. It is connected to the computer. So this device is used to read or copy the text and picture inside the computer. So this is also an input device. The next input device is microphone. microphone. This is called microphone. This is used to record different sounds in the computer. It can record voice, music and sound which can be stored inside the computer. Mic. We are using this mic to record our voice or record any music or sound to store inside the computer. So this is also used to enter the sound input inside the computer. Then the next input device is joystick. 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 Basically this joystick is used to play games on the computer. This is also an input device, but it is specially used to play games in the computer. It is a stick with one end attached to the base. See, this is a stick type of structure, one end attached to the base. This is called base. So the stick can be rotated in different directions to control the movement of objects on the monitor screen. This stick we can hold like this, and this is movable. This is move in different directions to control the movements of the objects on the screen. So this is also a type of input device basically used to play games on the computer. The next one is touch screen. This touch screen helps us to enter data by just touching the display on the screen. See, that hand is touching on the screen. By touching, just only touching by our fingertips, it can enter into the computer. It records the data the moment our finger comes in contact with screen. Whenever we touch on the screen, that records the data. Here our finger acts as a pointing device. This type of computer or this type of touch screen we can find in the shopping malls or the food ordering restaurants. Okay, so this is the touch screen. The best example of touch screen is our smartphone. In this smartphone we can enter or we can use the smartphone only by touching with our fingertips. Nowadays touch screen laptops and touch screen computers also available in the market. So this is the touch screen input. Then the next input device is barcode reader. This is also used, you can find in shopping malls or in marketing shops. So this is the handheld machine, means we can hold this machine to use this one. This reads the barcodes printed on the things kept in shops for sale. See, this is a code. You can see this code in any type of product packet. So this machine is used to read that codes, that these lines, this is barcode, these lines. So this reads the barcode. It consists of sequence of black lines on a white background. See, these are the black lines on a white background. This is called a barcode. A hidden number is written over here, and this machine is used to read this, or so this is called a input device, because by using this barcode reader machine, computer can read this type of instruction, this type of numbering. So this is also called used as an input device. The next one is the touchpad. This touchpad is present on the laptop. We are using this touchpad like mouse. This is generally used in laptops. We can move the cursor on the screen by simply moving our finger on this touchpad. See, in my laptop also this touchpad is there, and I can move the mouse or move the pointer by just touching over here. See, this is the touchpad in my mouse, using like a mouse in my laptop. See, this is another type of touchpad using to take the fingerprint. So this is the next input device, that is light pen. A light pen is again a pointing device that is connected to the monitor. This is a pen shaped structure. Pen shaped exactly looks like a pen. This one is light pen. Exactly looks like a pen. It is used to draw pictures on the screen. It also helps to select the objects on the screen by pointing on the object. So see, some smartphones also have this type of pen. They are providing this type of light pen which are using on the smartphone. So this is a pad where we are using this light pen. It is exactly looks like our normal pen. So students, these all are the different types of input devices for using different inputs. For some picture input, some are using for sound input, and some are using for text input. So all these are input devices. Some of them you already know or you have already used that one, and some are new to you. But these all are the input devices used to input data and instruction. Input means enter this data and instructions inside the computer. I hope this video is very useful to the primary students. So if you think so, then press the like button under my video and subscribe my channel Computer Basics. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching.